Hey, I'm Pastor Tony, Senior Pastor of Refuge Community Church. It's the place that people go call home because, as you know, there's no place like home. I want to welcome you to another episode of Pastor on the Go. Like I said, you'll never know where I show up or what wonderful guests I'll have an opportunity to interview. You know, as we've just gone through Hurricane Harvey here in Houston, you know, my wife and I, we've been in the ministry for so many years, we helped so many people, but through what we've experienced ourselves with Hurricane Harvey, we found ourselves actually in need of assistance. And this special guest I'm going to introduce to you actually traveled all the way from Chicago, and he blessed us with some of the things that you see here in our car. You know, so like I said, we've helped people, but we found ourselves in need. And I want to introduce you to Jamal that came all the way from Jamel, all the way from Chicago, and just share a little bit about, you know, your trip, what you're doing here. And I see you got this shirt on. Just tell us a little bit about what's going on.
Okay, so first of all, on behalf of myself and on behalf of the cross, we just want to say that, you know, everything that happened down here touched us too, because we have a lot of people in Texas as far as companies that we work with, employees that we work with. So it was heartwarming. We wanted to really do anything that we can. I come down to Houston a lot. It's kind of like a second home to me. So it kind of touched me in a certain way too. So anything that we were able to do, people were giving donations, like hand on hand, like willing to help. Like I never seen it before, so that was a blessing. And it's amazing that I was able to get in contact with you, because, you know, something just happened that way. Like this was a great opportunity, and I'm just happy that we're able to help.
All right, so tell us a little bit about your brand. So you have a brand, there's things that you're doing, you know, because see, the reason that I do these things is that it allows other people to see different services that are offered, but also find out about the motivations and passions behind different things that are going on. Because a lot of times we see what people are doing, their works, but we don't really know what motivates them. Like E.T., the hip hop preacher, he said, you gotta know the why. You gotta know the why. So tell us a little bit about that.
So when I said earlier that I come down here often, it's because I have a clothing line, and I love the city. They're very influential on fashion, so this is a great place to come in. One of the shirts I actually have is this one right here. It says antisocial. I'm very antisocial, but when it comes to helping others and, you know, just giving back, forgetting about this type of life, it's what we're about. Not only with my clothing line, but also with the cross. So it was very good that I was able to help out Tony and present him with this shirt.
Oh wow! Check this out. Antisocial. You know, it's hey.
What size is that?
Antisocial. Check this out. The size don't matter. They fit. You know, that's how we do it here in Texas. You know, antisocial. This is antisocial, but it's for a good thing. Because a lot of times we deal with peer pressure and so forth and so on. But I like the concept. Antisocial. Hey, so when you see me at your event wearing this, you know what's going down. You know what's talking on. But as we wrap up this interview, if there's something that you can look in the camera and tell the people, you know, as they're dealing with different things, you know, there may be people right now that are sitting home on their couches, discouraged, despair. And I mean, you travel all the way from Chicago to Houston, Texas. I mean, that's putting faith in action. But there's people right now that's going to see this. They might be complacent. They might be discouraged. They're sitting on their couch. What can you say to them to light the fire, to have them get out and do things? Maybe they're trying to even establish their own brain. But I mean, I like to find out the why. Why do you do what it is that you do?
To be honest, the reason why I do it is because I just love everything about giving back, just helping people. And I mean, I'm from Chicago, so I see a lot of messed up situations, and it's tough dealing with that on a daily basis. I have family members that have been shot, all type of stuff. Houses robbed, and sometimes the help that we need isn't there. So there's other sources that may always there to help. They just have to keep the faith and never give up. That's the one thing. Never give up. Never give up. Because God is always there. Never give up. Never.
Wow, I want to thank you for this. I feel that this has been a divine appointment, divine connection. I look forward to whatever things that we're going to do in the future. Because the light is greater. Because wow, I just see a lot of different things. But if you can take back anything from what you heard today, the meeting that you see here, that God orchestrated, the message is from both of us is never give up, never give up, never give up. We and God care about you.